Let's do this as fast as we can. So find the height AD of the building. We already know. We take sine. So sine 15 equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So AD over 60. So AD equals to 15.5. Next one, the height of the flagpole. Okay. AP. Height of the flagpole AP. So AP is here. Right? And we know this is 15.5. So how to find AP? 7, I can find the whole thing. Seven. 10. Okay, so the first thing we do is we can find OD. Right, we need to find OD. OD is the base. What's the length of the base? So to find OD, I can either use Pythagoras theorem or I can use trigonometry again, right? So maybe we want to use Pythagoras theorem, right? So OD is this length. Okay, why do I want to find this length? Because after I found this length, using the angle here, which is 22 degrees, then I can find the total height. Then I take the total height minus this 15.5, I will have this height. Right? You see that? Okay, so first thing, let's find OD. Right? What is the length OD? Let's use Pythagoras. To find OD, so this is 60, this is 15.5. So 60 square equals to 15.5 square plus OD square. So OD square equals to 60 square minus 15.5 square. OD equals to square root. So we take 60 square equals to minus 15.5 square. 3359, answer square root 57. Okay, so OD 57.9. Okay, this is 57.9. So with the base, I can find this. Right, I just have to create another triangle. Okay. So in my other triangle, it looks like this. Here is 22 degrees. This is 57.9. Right? And I want to find this part. So what do I use? Which trigonometry do I use? Is it sine, cosine, or tangent? This one. This is the opposite, right? Right? This is the tangent. Yeah. So tangent 22 is equals to opposite over adjacent. So this whole thing is called PD. Opposite PD over 57.9. Right, so PD equals to, so what's tangent 22? 0.4 times 57.9. So we get 23.4. Okay, but that's not the end because I want to find the height. So I had to minus 15.5. Take away 15.5. So 23.4 take away 15.5 equals to 7.89. That's it. Okay? Right, so that's how you find the height AP. So given also that AB equals to 10. Where is AB? AB is 10, okay. Calculate the angle elevation of P from B. P from B, okay. So where is the angle elevation of P from B? It is over here. I want to know this angle. So based on the previous answer, I know PD 23.4, 7.89. Okay, PA is 7.89. That's 7.89. Right, so how to find this angle? Which trigonometry? Opposite. Tangent again, right? But the working is slightly different this time. Let me write it here. So tangent, okay, let's call this theta. Tangent theta equals to opposite over adjacent, so it's 7.89 divided by 10, and theta is equal to tangent inverse 1. Oops, wow, what happened? Tangent inverse 7.89 over 10. Now why is it tangent inverse? Because if I were to shift it to the other side, I want to find tangent. Instead of divided by tangent, right, it's actually tangent inverse. Inverse tangent, this. So how do I press inverse tangent? There's actually this function, shift tangent, see? Tangent inverse. Then you just press 7.89 divided by 10 is 0.789. 0.789. Okay, right? I mean this value is 0.789, 38.3. Right, so the answer is 38.3 degrees. Okay? Okay, any question on this? Yes? Can you see? Is it glaring? Yeah. Okay. Has your teacher gone through this part? The tangent inverse part? Haven't. Okay. So learning something new. So if you need to find theta, you need to do tangent inverse. When you see, you want to find theta, so theta remains on the left hand side. It's like tangent goes there, right? So if tangent were to cross the equal sign, the other side is always tangent inverse, and tangent inverse is the calculator. You got a tangent inverse as well, right? That's the only trick you need to be able to do this question. Okay, right? So now we can try the next one. Question number 3. Right. I need to use this because too many lines and you can't see where unless I use different colors, right?